Yo guys, what's Gucci? Asian Carly here for another video of... Don't know what the freak that was, but let's get started! So basically, before you click off this video, I want you to know, you agents, my subscribers, that I am trying so hard to be consistent, but right now you gotta understand, I am in a different state. My computer is in Alabama. I'm in Louisiana. So that means no Elgato, even though Dad took that back, but I was still using like a game capture thing from Xbox. Whatever. So no recording off my Xbox, no editing program, no Sony Vegas, which is what I use. Don't make fun of me because it's an easy program to use and I like it. No Photoshop. I'm struggling but for the time before I was in Louisiana, I have no excuse. So I want to be trying to be more consistent, but understand the reason why I'm not is because I have an addiction to Overwatch, which is on my screen over here. And I would pan the camera, but I would have to like turn on my controller, go in the app, whatever. So Overwatch, drawing, and my phone. These are the three things that keep me from doing videos. Because I can't stop. I mean, I can't stop myself. Like, I legit just got, like, my mom just legit deleted Instagram off my phone because she said I was on it too much. I was this saucy, but stuff happens. So, trying to work with that, I knew I couldn't see. I knew this entire time. Much better. Okay, so to get started with the video today, I guess I'll talk about my experience in Louisiana so far, because nothing interesting happens in my life, really, other than that. Anyway, let's get started. Forget all that. First off, right now I'm at my grandmother's house. Before, I was at my cousin's house. And there, I spent like 3 days. Might as well have been 4, because I stayed there till like 10 o'clock at night on the last day. So, might as well be 4. But, me and my cousin, she's my age, me and her went to a trampoline park, and it was called Elevation Station. The trampoline park, if you don't know what it is where you jump. There's a lot of trampolines, you can jump from trampoline to trampoline. Anyway, so we went there, right? And I did a 5-minute stream on that. And so, within that 5 minutes, I was trying to get her to do a flip, if you watched it. But if you didn't, I'm gonna tell you what happened. So, I was sitting there telling her to do a flip, and then she was like chicken out. So I was like, okay, let me do one. And maybe she'll be like, okay, well, if you can do it, the person who was never a gymnast except for like when I was 5, and they made us do the Tarzan thing. Like, that's what level of gymnastics I did. But like, the person who's not that flexible and not a gymnast can do a flip, maybe I can too. And maybe I can get over my fear. No, that doesn't change nothing. So you buy your time that you can be on the trampoline park by the hour, and you get a wristband for each hour, which was great because I have like a wristband collection. I have a weird fetish of collecting wristbands, which I don't have on right now. Anyway, so for that first hour that we bought, because we bought 1 hour, we bought an hour at a time, right? So first hour, we're like, maybe let's just buy one and see how tired we are, right? Bought 1 hour. Whole hour went to one flip. I was sitting there like, what are you doing? And so then we bought another hour. And the limit is 2 hours. So we bought the other hour. We were tired as crap. But we're like, heck, let's do it anyway, you know? So the beginning of that hour, she did a flip. And I was like, thank you. Because before that, she had been doing somersaults and like forward handsprings. I was like, what? So you won't do a flip, but you'll do a handspring. Like, boy. I'm trying to turn my hand to the camera. Anyway, so when she found doing flips and stuff, I spent the entire rest of that hour trying to land on my feet after doing a flip. I never did, by the way. I was really salty because our hour ended and I still wasn't able to do one. And I was working that entire hour on doing a flip. Salt. Before that hour ended, this other kid came up. There's a whole bunch of kids. That's right. Focus on me. Okay? So, I'm using my aunt's camera, so like, I'm not used to this. Anyway, so this boy, these kids came in, right? Because people come like later at night, like from 6 to 8, 6 to 10 actually. It opens at 10, closes at 10. I ain't never heard no trampoline park that closes at 10 p.m. But like, I ain't never been to one before, so I guess I wouldn't have heard of that before. So this group of kids come in, right? This one boy, you know, he was tall and scrawny, right? He was sitting there jumping, and the next thing you know, he does like, if you've ever watched ice skating, you would know what a triple axel is. And he basically, because I was an ice skater at one point. I have an old video of me doing trashy ice skating. But, you know, I won first place and then quit because my coach sucked. But, you know, that's not important to this story. So, what is this hand sign I'm doing? It's like Naruto. Like, sit here doing hand. Okay, stop. Okay, stop, Carly. Stop. So, he did like a triple axel, slanted and landed on his feet, and I was sitting there like, I can't even do a front flip and land on my feet. What are you doing? Like, you know, super salty, by the way. So he then, as if I thought he was done, he wasn't. He ran up like, this is like side, the trampoline's kind of curved upward on this, like this side of the wall. And so he ran up that thing, ended up back flip. I was like, what? Like, it was, I just laid down on the trampoline like, I give up. I really do. But, you know, I didn't give up because I'm stubborn. But I still didn't succeed. Woo. Next story. So, the next day, my cousin had a softball tournament. Why am I snapping? I don't know. But, she had a softball tournament, because that's where my mouth put. Why do I mess up so much? Anyway, softball tournament. Went there. It's like an hour away. Focus camera. Okay, it was like an hour away. And we had to wake up at like 6 or 5:30 or something like that. I don't know. To get there on time. And so we stayed out there from 8 to 3. If not longer. No, it was like 5 something. I was like tired as any normal person would be. Especially her, because she had just played like 3, 4 softball games. Because it's a tournament. I think I said a game before, but it's a tournament. Getting right with it, okay. So I brought all my stuff because I thought my grandmother was supposed to be meeting us there, but she never did because my aunt didn't like really sync up, you know. I don't know, but I brought all my stuff, right? And my uncle has a truck, and so the back's open. So all my luggage was exposed to the heat. And I didn't think nothing of it because I was like, ain't got nothing in there that would like be damaged or anything. So I was wrong because I have my gummy vitamins in there. And as you can see, they are melted. Focus, camera. Focus, yes. As you can see, it's all melted at the bottom. Why? It just melted and like sort of on the side and stuff too. But I can't eat this. What? The top was. I can't eat this. Like, that would be a very bad idea. So I gotta throw these away. Yay. So then my aunt packed all my stuff in the cooler, right? Because I have food allergies, so I have to take food with me to places. Because they don't always have like the food I can eat at certain stores and like in different states. So like I have bread, right? And so my bread was in the refrigerator. So she put it in the cooler, but then the ice melted and then I had that entire loaf of bread was ruined because it was wet and soggy. And my bread is already brittle. So like, imagine what water did to it. It was like one nasty thing, and then my grandmother was pouring it into the sink like, look what your bread does with it. I was like, I know, I don't want to see it. It's so nasty looking. I thought it didn't focus again. But I had 2 other loaves, thankfully. But that happened. So far, I've been at my grandmother's house for like 3 days. This is the 3rd day. And nothing else really interesting happened. So I guess I'll end the video here. Cause that was it. Oh, I almost got hit with a softball because it landed next to me and I wasn't paying attention. I was on my phone. Smart me. Yay. At a softball game where the thing is not covering me. The fence doesn't even come up high enough. My luck. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Like, yeah, kill the like, murder the like button, as I say. That's what I used to say. I'm gonna start saying it again because, you know, it was a good thing. And yeah, so like and subscribe, comment, please. I don't get many comments, and I don't know if I can even check it because I don't have my laptop because my mom got the hard drive and the battery out of my laptop because hers wasn't working, so I don't even have a laptop. And then I can't bring my desktop with me to like a different state, so heck, I mean, my aunt's got an editing program, so I just guess I'll use that. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. Where's the button?